Action Overload, 1990s style. Hey everyone, it's Electric Mike, and welcome back to the channel. If you know me, you know I love action movies. From martial arts masterpieces to sci-fi spectacles, the 90s was a playground for filmmakers who like to blow stuff up real good. So buckle up as we take a trip back in time to revisit some of the most iconic action films of the 1990s. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our cinematic deep dives. Terminator 2, Judgment Day, a cyborg's redemption. Let's be real, you can't talk about 90s action without mentioning the Terminator. And Terminator 2, Judgment Day, forget about it. James Cameron basically wrote the book on how to do sci-fi action right. We're talking groundbreaking visual effects, heart-stopping action sequences, and a story that still holds up today. The T-1000? Pure nightmare fuel, but so freaking cool. And Arnold, well, he delivers an iconic performance as the Terminator, transitioning from villain to protector. The Matrix. Welcome to the real world. If Terminator 2 redefined sci-fi action, The Matrix completely blew the doors off the genre. The Wachowskis created this mind-bending world that blended cyberpunk aesthetics with high-octane martial arts. Keanu Reeves as Neo, iconic. The bullet time sequences, revolutionary. The Matrix wasn't just an action film, it was an experience. Speed. Buckle up for a wild ride. A simple premise, a bomb on a bus, turns into a non-stop thrill ride. Speed is pure 90s action goodness, cementing Keanu Reeves as a bona fide action star, with Sandra Bullock holding her own as the unlikely hero. Now let's switch gears and talk about a film that redefined martial arts movies. Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon is a visual masterpiece, with breathtaking fight choreography that's more like dance than combat. Director Ang Lee weaves a complex and emotionally resonant story about love, duty, and the pursuit of freedom. The performances are phenomenal, and the cinematography is simply stunning. Okay, we're back to high-concept action with John Woo's Face Off. The premise alone is insane. An FBI agent undergoes facial transplant surgery to assume the identity of a terrorist. Nicolas Cage and John Travolta chew the scenery with gusto, completely committing to their over-the-top roles. The action sequences are classic John Woo, with slow-motion gun battles, doves flying everywhere, and enough explosions to satisfy any action junkie. Is it ridiculous? Absolutely. Is it entertaining as hell? You bet. Who hasn't dreamed of seeing dinosaurs come to life? Steven Spielberg made that dream a reality with Jurassic Park. The special effects were groundbreaking, bringing these prehistoric creatures to life with a realism that had never been seen before. Spielberg masterfully ratchets up the tension, keeping you on the edge of your seat as the characters try to survive the night. John McClane. Need I say more? Die Hard with a Vengeance brings back everyone's favorite New York cop for another round of explosive action. This time he's paired with Samuel L. Jackson, and their chemistry is off the charts. They play off each other perfectly, creating a buddy cop dynamic that's both hilarious and badass. The plot, involving a series of terrorist attacks across New York City, is classic Die Hard. It's fast-paced, full of twists and turns, and gives McClane plenty of opportunities to do what he does best. Blow stuff up and spout one-liners. 6. The Fifth Element is a wild, colorful, and utterly unique sci-fi action adventure. Director Luc Besson created this visually stunning world, filled with bizarre creatures, over-the-top characters, and some seriously cool technology. Bruce Willis is his usual charming self as Corbin Dallas, a cab driver who gets caught up in a battle to save the universe. The Lethal Weapon franchise was already known for its blend of action and humor, but Lethal Weapon 4 took things to a whole new level with the addition of Jet Li. Mel Gibson and Danny Glover are back as Riggs and Murtaugh respectively, and they haven't lost a step. The chemistry between them is as strong as ever, providing the perfect counterbalance to Li's more serious demeanor. Independence Day is the ultimate alien invasion movie. Will Smith leads a star-studded cast, and he's perfectly cast as the cocky but heroic pilot who becomes humanity's last hope. The special effects were groundbreaking for their time, creating some truly awe-inspiring visuals of alien spacecraft destroying landmarks around the world. It's a classic underdog story, with humanity banding together to fight back against an overwhelming foe. From martial arts to sci-fi, the 1990s proved that action films could be anything and everything. Which of these movies is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to MGoTV1 for more cinematic explorations. See you next time.